Hey my lovelies, this is Sassy Shif says welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's look is going to be all about glamorous, glittery, colorful look by NYX Cosmetics. I have used all of NYX Cosmetics' latest products that I got my hands on while I was in New York, and this is the look that I decided to create for you all using their electric and their smoky and highlight eyeshadow palette, along with so many of their other products that are a hot favorite. So if you want to know how to get this colorful, glittery and playful look, then keep on watching. So before I set my face, I have cultivated a habit of dabbing my face with this NYX Professional HD finishing powder, and it's completely translucent. And before I add in a bit of bronzer and blush and compact, I like to just go in and dab my entire face with it because I feel like it holds the rest of my makeup really smoothly. So I'm going to be starting with NYX Cosmetics HD Studio Photogenic Concealers. I have them in two different shades. One is their shade 05 and one is the 03. Now 03 is the lighter one, so I think I'll go with that. I really like this for two reasons. One, it's definitely long lasting, long wearing. It doesn't give me any creases, especially if I'm using it beyond 5 to 6 hours. What I really like about this concealer is it gives your face an HD finish, and just a little product goes a long way. You don't need to apply a lot of this HD photogenic concealer, and the pictures actually look airbrushed. It comes with its own dough applicator. I'm going to be adding this HD finishing powder on top of it. Now I'll go in with my regular compact and set my face, and also add a little bit of I'm already wearing a bronzer. I'm wearing Bobbi Brown's bronzer, but I added like a teeny weeny dab of it just so that my face has some flush of color. This is the highlight and contour stick, and this is the one product that I swear by. These shades are WS04 Universal. The one that I'm holding is a Universal shade, and the second one that I have is 02, which is medium tan. So one end is contour, the deeper end is the contour, and this is the highlight shade. Just look at the highlight, how wow it looks. Firstly, it's compact, it's easy to travel with, it's portable, and you can see the shades easily from either side. This is like totally a wonder stick because it glides on so easily, and also you can use with a brush or use a beauty blender like I do. Now I'm going to reach out to the same HD finishing powder, and I'm going to just like dab it in also lightly. Now I'm going to quickly dip into my Bobbi Brown bronzer, and I'm going to slightly bronze my face, add like a slight hint of color. So the next product that I'm going to be reaching out to is by NYX Professional again, the Micro Brow Pencil. Look at how sleek this product is. I have this in two different shades. One is the Espresso shade and the other one is the Brunette, so it's slightly on the browner tone. I'm going to use the Espresso, and this time I just threw it in as a giveaway. So make sure to stick around to the end of the video to know what's the giveaway about. This is how the spoolie is, again really fine bristles, and this is the product. It is really fine and the tip is extra smooth. It's easy to draw even fine lines. And I have to admit, this is one of the finest and the one and only thinnest brow pencil with a spoolie that I have. Even the spoolie bristles that are there are so soft and so thin that you can just smudge the lines out wherever you feel you've overdone it a bit. and it's one of the most handy things to have in your makeup bag. Now I'm going to be speaking about 3 of my most favorite star products from NYX Cosmetics that has my heart. One is definitely Glitter Gold. This particular package had my heart when I saw it. Firstly, it totally is glitter gold because you have 3 beautiful shades of glitter: black, silver and dark green, and this is face and body glitter. It also comes with its own glitter primer so that you don't have to worry about the fallout, because this is one of the most important things whenever you use a glitter, right? It also you also have to ensure that you don't ruin the rest of your face or your makeup. The shades that are in here are Pitch Black, Emerald and Crystal. This is the glitter primer, the glue, and these are the 3 different glitter shades. Now for the 2 star products from NYX Cosmetics. One is the NYX Ultimate Multi-Finish Eyeshadow in the shade Electric, and the second one is the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, which is the Smoky and Highlight Palette. Now a little bit about the Ultimate Electric Eyeshadow Palette that I'm holding. Firstly, it's such a vibrant, such a colorful, breathtakingly beautiful eyeshadow palette, and if you are like me who wants a multi-finish in her eyeshadow palette, firstly, this is again portable, light, travel friendly, and they have taken some of the best, brightest shades and thrown it in here for that ultimate look of yours, whether it's day look or party look. Actually, I think you can mix and match from the smoky palette as well, because there's a lot of darker hues that I see of blacks and browns and maroons. But here, what's unique about this palette is it's a multi-toned palette and it's a multi-finish palette. So the first row that you see are all mattes, the second row that you see are shimmer, and third row that you see are completely pure 100% pressed pigments. 16 drop-dead gorgeous smoky and highlight shades. So there are different combinations that you can do for your smoky eye. Now here I see a lot of beautiful glittery shimmery shades that are mixed and matched with different matte or satin finish shades for perfect smoky eye. So let's dive in, ladies. Before I start this look, I want to show you guys the actual swatches on my hand so that you get a clear idea of how the shades look on the skin and as well as in my eye. The shades are so unique and pigmented. I barely pressed my finger once or twice max, and look at the formulation. It glides so easily and I'm in love with the shades. Both the palettes are so unique and you can do so many different combinations. And I'm going to be reaching out to this particular shade. It looks pretty matte and I'm going to be applying this all over my eyelid. I'm going to be reaching out to this really cute gray shade, which is again a matte color and it is super pigmented, so make sure to dip it in oh so lightly, just like so. And I'm going to be adding this right above my crease. Let's take the same color and bring it gently down to the corner as well and create like a darker V, just so lightly. So I'm going to be reaching out into this matte pink shade and we'll just lather it on top of the gray shade, but don't force it or overdo it. Let's do this very gently. Just see how the shade changes when you apply the bright pink matte shade on top of the gray. Just see how vibrant it suddenly becomes. Now I'm going to take the same bright pink, neon pink shade and use it on our lower lash line as well. I'm going to be taking this shade, which has slightly shade to it. It's like a champagne-y, very light golden shade, and straighten out our edges so that everything looks snatched and blended in. So now I'm going to be reaching out to this pink pressed pigment over here. See the color pay off. And at the corner of the V, right here, you see this empty space here where there's no color. From there to the corner, I'm just going to pack the color in on both sides. Ooh, look at the color! So bright and nice. So before we move ahead, I'm going to be putting in slight concealer on the insides, like the corner of my eye, really slightly, like a small V. And now I'm going to pick out the blue pressed pigment, the glitter that is here on our electric palette, and I'm going to be placing it, packing it on top of my concealer. Now I'm going to be reaching into this matte blue shade, okay, and I'm going to be covering the scent portion that you see is left out. Let's reach out to our glitter glue, okay, and I'm going to just place it on the center of my eyelids on both sides. Let's go in with our glitter shade quickly before this dries out. And I'm going to be reaching out to the crystal shade because I really liked it. I'm going to just take it on my finger and press. Woo! Look at the glitter, guys! Say hello to all the glitter gods because we all know where they are as of now with NYX Cosmetics glitter. Now we'll clean out the excess quickly. So I have my mascara on. I'm missing out a liner because I'm loving the look and I don't want a liner to take away from my glitter look. Also, I decided to smoke out my lower lash line using this glitter electric blue shade, and let's see how it looks. So I'm going to just place it on top of the pink, not below it, so that it doesn't extend further. So now for lipsticks, we have three options. One is this beautiful NYX Liquid Suede Cream lipstick, which is in this beautiful shade number 11, and this goes in my giveaway because this absolutely is my favorite. Look how beautiful the top of it as well, an ideal cherry red to have. And the remaining two that I have is, one is the butter gloss that I'm going to be putting on top of this lipstick. So this is a very perfect ideal nude liquid lipstick to have. It's long lasting and I am obsessed with nudes lately. The formulation of the liquid lipsticks by NYX Cosmetics is so amazing, and this nude is perfect everyday wear look, or if you want to keep your lips toned down and you have like a glamorous eye look like I do, then also this is going to be an ideal pick for you. Now on top of this, I'm going to be throwing in my butter gloss, just for that glossy look. I hope you guys had a blast with me creating this fun look using all NYX Cosmetics latest products that I got my hands on. And if you would like me to create more such looks and videos for you all, then keep on watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and share the love. Also, I cannot let you go so easy, so quick. I have a giveaway on this video. Just like I promised, I'm going to be throwing in 4 brand new untouched unused products by NYX Cosmetics. One is their Wonder Stick, one is their suede liquid suede lipstick. Third product that I am obsessed with is their micro brow pencil in the shade brunette, so that a lot of color tones this can go with and suit. And lastly but not the least, their HD Photogenic concealer, which is such a hot favorite light, and all these products are so unique and a hot seller in the market. So 2 lucky winners are going to get these products. I'm going to swap them out a bit so that the micro brow pencil and the concealer goes to one person, and the Wonder Stick and the lipstick goes to one person. So I'm going to be having 2 lucky winners. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, follow me. It's called the same everywhere @ Sassy Shif says. Tag 3 friends on this video and comment, enter giveaway. Let me know if you are a follower, a reader that is following me on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I go through all my comments, especially on YouTube and Instagram. And I will be announcing these winners on my birthday, which is 16th August. So until then, all the best, keep it sassy, and make sure to keep coming back for some love.